Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to another amazing video at my channel. Today I will be discussing how to publish an app or a game in Microsoft Store. It is kind of a very complicated steps, but I have made it easy and it will be very smooth. So as you can see right now, my one app has been already uh, deployed or published in the Microsoft Store. Another is on the release right now. So now for the next. So let me just clarify that for me, I'm developing MSIX kind of apps. I'm not doing for another type, EXE or any other. So I've selected this section, MSIX, and then you can just name it. I'm gonna name my app Tetris Pro. So just click on reserve product name and your app name will be reserved. This will take 1 minute because it will go throughout the database to see if the name doesn't matches at all. So as you can see, the name wasn't matched. It has provided me with a dashboard for the app. Alright, now you just have to go to start submission. After going to the start submission, you will see a lot of options. Yeah, so as you can see, pricing, properties, age ratings, packages, and many other. Alright, so let's begin one by one. Let's go to pricing and availability first. So I'm a Indian user. You do not have to do anything over here. You just have to scroll down to the market groups. Alright, just select your currency. I'll be selecting INR and just scroll down and just save draft. This is only for the free software that you are proposing. I'm just providing freemium right now, not paid services. Alright. So as you can see, incomplete. You just have to visit again and just select an amount. So right now my retail price will be set to 0 and just save draft. That's it. Your first step has been completed. See, complete. Now let's go to properties. And in properties, you have to pick a category first. So I will be selecting sports because there isn't any game, you can see. So the game obviously falls in the sports category, so I'm going to select sports. Then you can just select like productivity for your secondary observation. In privacy policy, always select, means it depends upon your app. So my product doesn't use any personal information, so I'm going to select no. Website not applicable. Support contact information, you should apply, you should provide. So I'm just gonna fill this data. Then you can just fill the rest of the data. Alright, all the data has been fulfilled. Display mode none required for my app. The product declaration already selected once. If you think any of the rest over things are being used, you can select. So mine does not. Now you have to just mention your system requirements. So keyboard will be used, mouse will be used, touchscreen no, camera no, these modules no, 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 nothing. Just memory, I'll be selecting 2 GB and 4 GB. DirectX no, video memory no, and then we have to just input these data. So as you can see, I've added all the essential data and just save. Alright, and then as you can see now, it says complete. Now age rating, just click on it, and then you just have to select all the essential data. Yes, always click on this option, I'm ready. Alright, so my app type is game, so I'm doing nothing, so I have to select all no. Make sure to read and follow. I have already submitted one app, so I know the these checkpoints, but make sure you follow all of them. Otherwise, your app might fail to be deployed on the Microsoft Store. You will be redirected to a new page. Just click on this checkbox and just save. Just click on continue, and your one more step has been completed. Age rating. Now it is package time. Click on the package section. You will be redirected to a page. You just have to browse your file. Alright. So guys, as you can see, the package, I just went to my browse your file and selected the folder, and then it automatically fetched. So if your MSIX file is unsupported or has many errors, it will be all reflected over here. Otherwise, it will automatically select your package and details and everything. And you can just click on save, and your packages will be complete. Then you might see an option of properties being flagged incomplete again. And the reason is that it might have updated the privacy policy URL. It will be asking for that. So you just have to provide the URL. So I have already created it. So I'll just copy it from here and go to my this center, and provide the URL. Just a second, guys. This is my privacy policy URL that I have picked up from my GitHub. Alright, you can just create a markdown file, and that's it. Your privacy policy URL work is already done. If you save it, then your multiple steps will be completed. Alright, but still your submit for certification will not be open because you have not used store listing. Alright, just visit this. After visiting, just have to select. Alright, you just have to select manage additional languages, search for English, you search for English, and then just update. Alright, and then you just have to click save, and you will be redirected to the main page. When you will come back to the main page, just visit to the bottom and export listing. After exporting listing, you have to just create, and I'll just show you that means you have to just fill the data present inside the .csv. So guys, when you import your listing and it is completed, you will have two options over here. Language, you have to click on it, and then you will be redirected to a page where you have to fill some basic information about your application, like product name, description, what's new, product features, screenshots, store logos, and everything. Just till here. That's it. And just save. Then remains your additional store listing. Just have to click on it. So it will be basically asking the language requirement, I guess. Let's see. It's kind of same. You have to fill the data again. This is because I have selected one more language, or otherwise what you can do is you just have to visit this section where where it is additional additional store listing language. You just have to click on remove and save. All right, and then you will see all section complete, and then your this submit for certification will be turned on, and you just have to click submit for certification. And there you go, Tetris Pro in certification. And then within 1 day or 2 days, your certification will be arrived and your publication will be showcased on your Microsoft Store. So this is a very clean process, and I hope uh, this working has been very efficient. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and follow me for more viral stuff in the computing world. And if you have any query related to this, so you may drop a message in my comment, and I'll just try to answer it as quick as possible. Thank you for watching.